Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Kishu Baby Coin on Pancakeswap using your Metamask wallet or Trustwallet. So let's get started. If we come to coin market calendar, so here you can see on today's 13 July, Kishu Baby will list on XT exchange. So it means you can make profit. It means the price of Kishu Baby will go to the moon. Here you can see Kishu Baby 13 July 2021 XT listing. If we check the proof, here you can see the proof of this post and the source. Here you can see the source on its own Twitter. Okay, at first let's go to coin market, CoinGecko. Here on CoinGecko, if you search about Kishu Baby, here you can see the current price. Almost it's the price is just increased near to 4%, and then you can buy this Kishu Baby on Pancakeswap using your BNB coin, Binance Smart Chain. It means Kishu Baby is on BNB platform. Okay, then here if we click Kishu Baby, so it will take you to its own website. Here this is the medium.com, PSC scan and other social media community. And then if we scroll down here, you can see the chart. The price just decreased about 85%. Okay, then let me go to Kishu Baby official website. Here is its official website. You can see Kishu Baby, the first baby community token. It means you can buy it on Pancakeswap and you can find it on CoinMarketCap. So you can see the menu, why Kishu Baby, Technomics, roadmap, tokens, chart, and its own Telegram. You can find it on English group and Spanish group. If you scroll down here, you can read about a Kishu Baby project. The lovely Kishu Baby was created on June 27, 2021 with the goal of being a decentralized meme project with a true purpose, formed by an awesome team of highly skilled developers, first-class marketing people, and a constantly ever-growing community. So you can read the description. Here if we scroll down, this is the contract address of Kishu Baby. If you are going to buy it on Pancakeswap, you need to copy this contract address and find Kishu Baby on Pancakeswap. Then if you scroll down, here is the Technomic and stats. The following is the exact distribution of Kishu Baby. Total supply is about trillion, locked liquidity, Kishu Baby army, ownership, anti-wall system, administration. What about roadmap? If you see the roadmap, the first roadmap is launch June 2027. Here you can see all the description. And if you scroll down about the second roadmap, then you can check this. For now, this Kishu Baby is listed on CoinGecko. The next target is CoinMarketCap. Okay, you can check the roadmap, and if you scroll down, here is the token distribution. 5% in rewards for everyone who does hold. If you buy Kishu Baby and if you are holding, then on each transaction, on each rewards, you will get 5% Kishu Baby in extra. Then 5% each transaction is added to liquidity, anti-wall system that will protect the price of the currency, a great community and a great team with great plans for the currency. Okay, here is the contract address. Okay, now we will buy Kishu Baby on Pancakeswap. How you can do it? Simply come to its own official website. Here, click on Pancakeswap. If you click to here, then it will take you to Pancakeswap. Now, what you need to do? At first, you will see this notification area, import token. Okay, at first I understand and click on import. Now, make sure to connect your Metamask wallet or Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap. Simply click to here. Select Metamask. If you have Trust Wallet, then select your Trust Wallet. But I'm going to use Metamask wallet. Okay, log into your Metamask wallet. Once you log in, then here simply type the amount of BNB that you want to buy Kishu Baby. These coins are meme coin. It might give you profit, but this is not trustable. This is not like Ethereum, like BNB, like Cardano. This is meme coin. Might be it hit to the moon and you get much profit, like Dogecoin. So at least spend your $5, $10, $50, $20, not much more. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just guiding you. This coin might give you much profit like Dogecoin, like Baby Dogecoin, like Kishu Inu, like Shiba Inu. Kishu Baby is the baby coin of Kishu Inu. Search here, let me search here about Kishu Inu. Here we can see the price of Kishu Inu. So you can see the current price of Kishu Inu, like this is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is much better. So let's back to Pancakeswap. Now here type the amount of BNB you want to buy Kishu Baby. If you want to buy 1 BNB, about 1 BNB you will get this much Kishu Baby coin. If you hold it for 1 year, 2 year or a month, then you get much profit if the price of Kishu Baby go to the moon. Once you decide how much BNB you want to buy Kishu Baby, then here you will see swap option. Because now I don't have BNB coin, that's why this is saying insufficient BNB balance. So here you will see swap option. Click on swap button, then you will see a notification, Metamask notification area here. Simply click on confirm option, then finally you will buy Kishu Baby on your Pancakeswap using your Metamask wallet. So if you want to sell Kishu Baby when you are in profit, simply select here Kishu Baby and select BNB coin in here. Click on maximum, then here at first you will see proof the token or proof coin. Click on proof button. Once the coin is proofed, then click on swap option, then confirm the transaction, and finally you will sell Kishu Baby. So this is the easiest method that you can buy any meme coins or recently added coin on Pancakeswap using your Metamask wallet or Trust wallet. The method is safe. The method is safe whether you want to buy Dogecoin, Baby Dogecoin, Baby BNB, Baby Kishu, Baby Ship, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, XRP, Ethereum, BNB. All coins methods are same. You can follow this method in order to buy any coin. So if you have any problem, any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm here always to help you. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video, because every day I'm going to upload a useful video for you. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.